Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account. Now this is fairly simple. All you have to do is you have to connect your bank account to your Stripe. Then once you get money to Stripe, you will automatically get it to your bank account. You will get a payout to your bank account. So first of all, when you're here, make sure to go to balances, and from balances go to more and manage bank accounts. Here, as you can see, I already have my own bank account, but what you can do is you can add another bank account right here, and that bank account will basically, be your own bank account, and then your Stripe funds will be pay out to your bank account, which is really awesome, right? It's very simple. And then here you will see incoming to Stripe, estimated future payouts. Here you can see 1 day, you can see 1 week, you can see 4 weeks, and all that good stuff. So here you will be seeing payouts, recently deposited payouts as well, and your USD balance as well, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's basically how to get money or how to transfer your money from Stripe to your bank account. Very simple and really easy way. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.